Adding links to your Seesaw posts or activities allows teachers to make resources easily accessible to students. There are so many ways you can use links to share even more great content with your learners in Seesaw. Let's see how. Seesaw makes it easy for teachers to share pre-made resources with students. By tapping the green Add button, tapping Post Student Work, and selecting the link icon, teachers can share videos, links to articles, or websites for students to reference. Maybe you are teaching a unit on animal habitats. Add a link to a kid-friendly article about forest and freshwater habitats for your students to compare and contrast. Students then have the opportunity to comment on the resource in the journal to engage in a focused classroom discussion. Another option for using links in Seesaw is to add links to resources that enhance student learning directly within a Seesaw activity. While in the Creative Canvas, select the three dots, then tap on the link icon. Copy and paste the URL you want to include. After the link has been added, adjust the size and position of the thumbnail within the activity. To add more context, use the label tool to add information about the link. Teachers can also attach a link to any image or text in the Canvas by just tapping the three dots associated with the image or text. In addition to providing links to articles, teachers can provide students with links to online read-alouds, videos, blogs, podcasts, you name it. Students can also share resources that they create or curate with the link tool. If students are conducting research, they can cite their sources on the Canvas by including links to the articles or other resources they find. In addition, students can link to Google Slides, reports, or any other learning created outside of Seesaw. Simply copy and paste the URL from the resource to include a clickable link on the Canvas. Don't forget to make sure the share settings allow for unrestricted viewing. Adding links to posts and activities unlocks learning opportunities and organizes resources all within Seesaw. Your challenge this week is to plan and create a Seesaw post or activity that incorporates the link tool. Share the creativity you capture on Twitter using the hashtag SeesawMeAMinute.